Hey, if you want to control shutter of your smartphone camera on the Redmi Watch 4, for sure you can do this. But first of all, on your smartphone, you will have to open the camera application. There we go. Next, you will have to move into your watch. So click on this button to open apps menu. And from this menu, you will actually have to locate the camera application. So just click on it, then tap that we got it. And now grab your smartphone. Let's take a photo, for example, of this item, and then click right here. There we go. As you can see, the photo was taken, and that's how it looks. And you can also enable the 3-second shutter, or 5, or even, yeah, we can get 3 or 5. So now when you click on it, you get the countdown. After this, the photo will be taken, but can actually get these photos without this countdown. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.